Hey, what's up? This is not exactly where I wanted to be at this time of morning on a Saturday morning in minus 12 weather, but I think it's time for a review on Alloy Works radiators. This is the second one we've had in here since we built it, and I don't know if y'all can see the cloud of steam coming out of here. I'm not real sure how well this is going to work with only one hand. So y'all can see the steam coming up. I'm going to kill the engine. We're going to see if we can get this to show. It showed early this morning, but we're going to kill the engine and squeeze the radiator hose a little bit and see if we can get it to actually pee. But right up here in one of the welds, it's right about here. Of course, now it's not going to show. Now you'll see here the residue left behind from the Mopar Purple antifreeze that we use. We use it because it's formulated specifically for engines with aluminum heads and aluminum radiators. And when you have a leak, you'll see pink. Okay. It's getting warm enough, it's kind of sealing up, which it tends to do, but if you'll look right here, you'll see that I am wiping moisture where this weld is failing. So, looks like it's time for another radiator. Alloy Works. Okay, just a brief update on this. And just for reference, I want you all to know that the filled cap is over here. And where I was pointing out the leak was over here. Okay, right down here, you'll see our puddle with a little bit of pink residue. So what we wound up doing, just to put a Band-Aid on this, we picked up a bottle of K-Seal. Okay. This little bitty bottle is like 22 bucks. But the guy at the Napa store in Spearfish promised me this is the only one that he's ever found that actually works. It's specially formulated for aluminum radiators, and it looks like an aluminum powder, but it's actually aluminum powder and like ceramic and resin that, you know, hey, we put it in there and ran it for about 30 minutes. It plugged the hole. This is a Band-Aid. We're going to have to order a new radiator. I'm going to be looking to see if there's an alternative to Alloy Works that makes a radiator in a similar configuration that we can use instead, because actually I miscounted. This is the third Alloy Works radiator that we've had in here, and every one so far has failed. And when you buy it with the fans that they provide with them are absolute A1 garbage. That's why we've got the Flexolite fan, which is noisy as hell, but it moves air, and it's been in here now for 2 years and has never failed. So, Jeep, just empty every pocket.